Welcome to Zaplet's automation tutorial. In this video, we'll set up a logistics update flow that automatically sends real-time order status updates to your customers on WhatsApp. Start by opening your Zaplet dashboard and click on Create Automation Flow. Name your flow Logistics Update. From the Flow Type dropdown, select Logistics Update. This flow will automatically notify your customers whenever their order tracking status changes with courier. For example, when it's shipped, in transit, or delivered. Next, set the time delay. Enter 5 seconds or choose the timing you prefer before sending the update. Now type your WhatsApp message. Hello, customer first name. The current status of your order, which changes with each update in courier. Delivery address, shipping address. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp. You can use short codes like customer name, order status, tracking number, and shipping address to make each message unique and personalized. Under Template Message Type, select Utility because this is a transactional notification. If you want, you can attach a product image or your logo by selecting Custom Image or Video and pasting the media URL from Shopify files, or just leave it without media. Now go to the Buttons section, add a static button called Track and link it with the tracking URL shortcode. This allows customers to instantly track their parcel from WhatsApp with one click. If your business serves specific countries, you can apply filters so the message only goes to those regions. Once everything looks good, click Create Flow. Zaplet will now automatically send a WhatsApp logistics update every time an order's status changes, keeping your customers informed and improving their delivery experience. That's all for this tutorial. You've successfully created a logistics update automation flow in Zaplet. Stay tuned for more tutorials on automating your store operations and improving customer satisfaction.